Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back, and we have to talk about Mr. Pepe the frog, the meme coin, and Pepe Facebook page has been teasing a lot about deleting 3 zeros, and they're very bullish. They're like, it's time to hold. If you go to Pepe Facebook page, you're going to see there's a lot of very bullish posts coming in on Pepe, and when it's not only just the post, but when it comes to the chart reading, I also see that something is up with Pepe. I do see the candles of Pepe getting lit. They are, putting light, they're putting fire into this thing. So, what is going on in here? Here it is. So, a few days ago, we talked about the formation of inverse head and shoulders. So, you want to take that left shoulder, the head here, the right shoulder, all in all. And this inverse head and shoulder is what's really bullish. But unfortunately, you have reached the neckline, and this is the break it point. Okay, make it or break it point, the point we're going to determine whether we are going to go to the upside or not. Now if you go into the 15-minute time frame, the right shoulder was printing out for quite some time, and if you notice, we had this behavior here where the right shoulder was printing up, broke to the upside, came for the retest, and then it jumped off all the way to the upside. Now what I do see, however, is that there is a wick when you zoom out of the chart here, and the wick is actually right over here. So that's the wick, and this wick has a lot of stop losses. People have set the stop losses right at that wick. So basically, you may actually pump just a little bit above the wick and make it to maybe 830 or 840 and take out that wick all in all. Now the question that has to be answered is whether we will see Pepe actually moving to the upside or not. So if you do come up and you make it all the way, you break this, you take the stop losses here, can you retest? And if you're successful, you have a journey to come up here at 975. That's going to happen, that you go all the way up here. I think it should be pretty possible for you to do that. However, if you just drop and come down, of course that's going to be a bad scenario. So if you do something like this, take the stop out, make a fake out, and then go down, that would be really bad. So that's all for the video on Pepe. I'm going to see you the next one. Love.